Hello, my viewers. It's me again, your Cranky Man. Today, your Cranky Man has a question, and I would really like honest answers from anybody who stumbles across this video. Let's say you have been with your partner for years, not a few months, not a casual relationship, years. You have been through good times together. You have been through bad times together. You have supported each other. You have built memories together. You have made sacrifices for each other. And somewhere along the way, you started believing that this was your forever person. Then one day, you discover something that completely changes everything. You find out that your partner has been living a secret life. Maybe they have been dating somebody else. Maybe they have been talking to somebody else behind your back. Maybe there is another relationship that you knew absolutely nothing about. My question is simple. What would you do? Would you walk away immediately? Would you confront your partner and demand answers? Would you give them one final chance to explain themselves? Or would you try to fight for the relationship because of everything you have invested over the years? You see, this is where people usually have very different opinions. Some people will say, "I'm leaving." They believe that once trust is broken, there is nothing left to save. And honestly, I can understand that point of view. But then, there are other people who will say, "I've invested too much to walk away." They will argue that years of memories, sacrifices, and commitment should not be thrown away without at least having a conversation. Then there are those who become angry at the other person involved. They focus their attention on the man or woman their partner was seeing. But personally, I have always wondered if that is the right place to direct your anger. After all, the person who made promises to you was your partner, not the stranger. This is why I find this question so interesting, because there is no single answer that everybody agrees on. What breaks one relationship might make another couple work harder to rebuild. What one person sees as unforgivable, another person sees as something that can be repaired. So, today, I genuinely want to hear your opinion. If you found yourself in this situation after years together, what would your next move be? Would you stay? Would you leave? Would you fight for the relationship? Or would you decide that enough is enough? As for me, your Cranky Man has his own opinion. But today, I would rather hear yours first. Anyways, it's me again, your Cranky Man, and I will see you again on the next upload.